Hey, fellow Pontiac G5 and Chevy Cobalt drivers. I was able to finally find the source of rattling coming from behind the center console when the engine was under load. Looked like the exhaust had a little piece that would break off and rattle. Uh, so I was able to replace it and get that rattling to go away. Of course, first thing I would check is to look for any exhaust leaks. ChrisFix has a good video on that. Anyway, just wanted to point this out. I've seen it in the forums. Kind of sounds like a card stuck in like the spokes of a bicycle when you're trying to take off from a start. Just wanted to point that out for the rest of you guys. Later.